guys, Gerald for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the HOKA M CARBON X2s. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up if you want to see those likes. It helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Let's get into it. So today, we've got a look at the HOKA M CARBON X2s in the luminary green colorway. We got these in a UK size 7.5. It's a European 41 and a third. And it's US men's 8. Well, it says 8D. I'm not sure what the D is. And guys, this is our first HOKA review, so round of applause there. I'm really excited to actually try these on. When I do the on feet, it's going to be my first reactions because I've not tried them on yet. But if there was a brand that we've been looking for, in my opinion, I've been looking all over for a sneaker running brand that isn't Nike, isn't Adi, kind of respected amongst the running community, and that is what HOKA is now. I've seen loads of people, loads of runners, they've recommended HOKA Oneupreviewz, and I've seen it all over my Instagram feed when all the fitness IG profiles I follow. A lot of those guys, they wear HOKAs when they do their running. So I thought, might as well jump on the bandwagon, see what all the fuss is about, and splurged out and bought a pair of the luminary greens. And here we go. There. Really lightweight. I can't stress enough that these are so lightweight. And so we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is a foam rubber outsole. You got all the traction patterning all around, and what you can see why it's called a Carbon X2 is because of this carbon plate that you can see just embedded between the outsole and the midsole. So you can see it there. It's there added for your stability whilst you're running. Moving on onto the midsole unit. So you got a foam midsole, and it's shaped in this rocker fashion. So you can be better if it was on this foot. There, it just springs yourself forward, propels yourself with every strike that you do when you're running. Guys, honestly, that was so easy. I know you guys can't experience it, but by me demonstrating it, it was springy, it was fast. That's what you want when you're running. Also, what you do want when you're running is lightweight materials. So as we move along into the upper, you've got this mesh upper in this fluorescent green colorway. Well, it's luminary green, as HOKA would call it. Very lightweight. I can't stress enough. I'm going to say that a lot. So if you're doing a drinking game, I'm sorry, you're going to get drunk by the end of this. By the time I say lightweight. So there's another one. The toe box area, you can see the perforations, therefore the breathability. That's another aspect that you want on your running sneakers. You got the HOKA logo there as well. It's this bird, it's time to fly. That is their slogan, HOKA. In these heat pressed TPE plastics, HOKA on the lateral side, and that bird logo on the medial side. Lacing system, so your typical lacing system, flat laces as well. The tongue is very thinly padded, but you want less weight on your sneakers whilst you're running. The way that this ankle support is shaped is there for an easy slip-on access, and essentially why this anatomical heel counter grip, whatever they call it, is so up and pointing up is because it acts as a slip-on, and it's easy to slip your feet on, and it acts like a pull tab as well. So there you go. You got the synthetic plastics as well surrounding the heel clip, helps support and protect your heels. The insole, synthetic materials, very nicely padded as well. And that rounds off my review. Like I mentioned, guys, I've been looking for a brand where I can just wear whatever I want, because when it comes to running or any kind of exercise that I do, I like to be on brand and wear a full Nike tracksuit when I'm running or working out. But with these, I can wear whatever. And you can wear whatever, guys, don't be like me. Wear whatever you want. I can't wait to try these on, give you my thoughts, feelings and emotions. really excited because this is my first time wearing some Hokas. They've been well respected within the community. People have recommended me a pair of Hokas for far too long, and it's only right that we try them on now. So roll that footage of me trying these Hokas on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size fit. I'm a UK size 7.5 and my toes are where they need to be. With the sizing said and done, I must say these are very comfy. I am a big fan of the shape of the midsole. It does help me propel myself forwards. We've had some troubles in the past reviewing some rocker sneakers as well. I don't want to name names, but I do mention it in one of the videos. But that was really weird, the way that it felt like there was a mold that's in between my feet in the middle. But these are very comfy compliments. Like I mentioned, the shape, it helps me propel myself forward, very lightweight. And it's got all these other brands giving them a run for their money. It's kind of similar to the Nike Reacts that we've done in the past, the running shoes. But Hoka, it's different. It doesn't feel like it's React, but very spongy. I can go on. I'm a big fan of these now. I'm Turns. Thank you guys for introducing me to Hoka. For you guys know who you are. You raved on about it and kept showing them to me on Instagram. I'm converted. I'll let you know if I do any runs and do some performance reviews. We won't know, so drop some comments saying, let us know if you want to see performance reviews, so drop that in the comment section below. All that said, let's give you the 360. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. If you're wondering what sweatpants I'm wearing, these are from Uniqlo, the U collection from SS20. So I doubt they'll come out again, but that's where I got them from. So if you're looking for any alternatives, go to Uniqlo. With all that said, follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. That's on Instagram. Until next time, peace.